and has a higher heat value than lower ranking coal. Peat, Stage 1. 1. Peat is the first stage, in the formation of coal. 2. Normally, vegetable matter is oxidized to water, and carbon dioxide. 3. However, if plant material accumulates underwater, oxygen is not present, and so only partial decomposition occurs. 4. This incomplete destruction leads to the accumulation of an organic substance called peat. 5. Peat is a fibrous, soft, spongy substance in which plant remains are easily recognizable. 6. It contains a large amount of water, and must be dried before use. 7. Therefore, it is seldom used as a source of heat. Peat burns with a long flame and considerable smoke.